Join me as I take on the challenge of building a luxury wardrobe without breaking the bank. Building a luxury wardrobe doesn't have to be a pipe dream, reserved only for those with deep pockets. Style is about expressing yourself, not about how much money you spend. I've always believed that with a little creativity and resourcefulness, anyone can look and feel like $1 million without actually spending that much. The idea of luxury fashion often conjures up images of designer boutiques and hefty price tags. It's easy to get discouraged and think that luxury style is off limits when you're on a budget. I've been there too, scrolling through fashion blogs and social media, feeling like I'll never be able to afford those gorgeous pieces. But the truth is, luxury fashion doesn't have to mean brand new, straight from the runway expensive. There are so many ways to build a stunning wardrobe without emptying your wallet. It's all about perspective and knowing where to look. You don't need a designer label to look luxurious. What you really need is a keen eye for quality, a bit of patience, and a willingness to think outside the box. The common misconception is that luxury fashion is only for those who can afford it. We see influencers and celebrities rocking high-end designer pieces and assume that's the only way to achieve that level of style. But that's just not true. We often forget that some of the most stylish people are those who know how to make the most of what they have. They mix and match, invest in timeless pieces, and aren't afraid to hunt for hidden gems. The misconception that luxury fashion requires a huge budget can be really discouraging. It makes people feel like they're not good enough or that they'll never be able to achieve their style goals. But fashion is for everyone, regardless of budget. Another misconception is that you need to buy a lot of expensive clothes to look stylish. That's not the case at all. A few well-chosen, high-quality pieces can make a huge difference in your overall look. Quality over quantity is really the key here. Instead of buying cheap, trendy pieces that may quickly go out of style, invest in a few timeless items that will stand the test of time. Smart shopping is crucial. Know where to look, what to look for, and be patient. You might need to sift through a lot of options to find that one special piece, but it's worth it. Thrifting, for example, can be a goldmine for unique, high-quality pieces at a fraction of the cost. And I'm not just talking about second-hand designer items. You can find amazing vintage pieces or high-quality basics that will elevate your wardrobe. Investing in versatile pieces is another smart strategy. These are items that can be styled multiple ways and will work for years to come. Think classic coats, simple yet elegant dresses, or a good pair of well-fitting jeans. The key to pulling off luxury on a budget is really about being intentional with your purchases. Don't just buy something because it's on sale or because you think you should. Buy it because it makes you feel amazing and it's something you'll wear over and over. For me, a game changer has been learning how to spot quality pieces at thrift stores and online marketplaces. You can find incredible deals on gently used or even brand new items if you know where to look. I recall one time I found a designer coat at a thrift store for a fraction of its original price. It was in perfect condition, and I knew I could wear it for years to come. Moments like those make me love the thrill of the hunt even more. One unique shopping tip I'd like to share is to always keep an eye out for off-season sales. You can snag high-quality pieces at a fraction of the cost, and they won't hit your wallet as hard. Another crucial aspect is taking care of your clothes. A well-maintained piece can last you years, looking as good as new. It's not just about saving money, it's also about sustainability. The final piece of advice I want to share is to not be afraid to mix high and low. Pair that affordable, trendy piece with a timeless luxury item, and you'll be surprised at how polished you can look. To recap, building a luxury wardrobe on a budget is all about smart shopping, being intentional with your purchases, and taking care of your clothes. With a bit of creativity and patience, you can look and feel amazing without overspending. These tips aren't just about saving money, they're also about developing a more thoughtful approach to fashion. One that values quality over quantity and sustainability. The bottom line is, you don't need a huge budget to have a luxury wardrobe. You just need to know where to look and how to make the most of what you find. If you start applying these strategies, I promise you'll see a transformation in your wardrobe and in how you feel about your style. Before I go, I'd love to hear from you. What are some of your favorite budget-friendly fashion tips? Share them with me in the comments below. And if you're looking for more styling tips on how to make the most of your wardrobe pieces, be sure to check out my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.